Hey family, welcome back to my channel. It's Nnalue, Ifeoma, the King's Bride. So I actually dressed up so that I can make this video, but something happened. The main purpose of making this video was I wanted to unbox something. When I got the delivery, okay, so I went to carry the delivery. As you can see, sir, I'm even wearing WhatsApp. Like, so I was really dressed up for this video. I went to take the delivery, but I noticed that the delivery, instead of being 2, it was 4. So when I came back home, one was heavy. When I came back home, and they wrote fragile on it. When I came back home, I was like, let me open this delivery. I opened the one of the things I bought. Then I said, let me open this other strange delivery that I don't even know where it came from. And I was surprised to see what I find. Let me show you what I find. Let me show you what I find. But before I show you what I found, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that each time I post new videos, you'll be the first to see it and you'll be the first to comment. So please feel free to comment in the comment section below, okay? So let me show you what I found in this box and tell you. I only opened one of the boxes anyway. It's actually 2. So let me just show you what I find in this box first, then I'll tell you what's behind it. So after it arrived, I opened it, and you won't believe what I found. My baby. My husband is this kind of weird guy. I told him he loves me so much, though. Whoa! I found these. I found this on Simon non-alcoholic grape wine. I once drank this in his place. He bought me 2. So we first drank it after the wedding and he liked it. Then he bought it at home while I was still in his place. So he bought 2 bottles. Me and him drank one. Then the next day, myself, and my younger brother drank the other one. And he was like, okay, he has found this drink that this is what he likes. He doesn't take alcohol. He doesn't drink. He doesn't do women like. So he was like, okay, he's going to start drinking this wine. Then I told him that he should help me and buy one. He said, I have money, I should go and buy my own. I was like, babe, now, you know the way this guy used to do, even when we were at the hotel, like, babe, give me money. Now he said, okay, babe, kiss me. And I said that kiss is on strike. So I was not expecting this because when I told him to buy for me, he said, I have one, I should buy for myself. So I was not even expecting to see this. So when the delivery came in now, I also put this and I found it is this wine. And you bought me 2 glasses. Then this other box, I'm going to open this now, and I'm having a feeling that this is probably a glass because the drinks we used during the reception, we had glasses. It came with like some really beautiful, glasses. So I was like, babe, I'm going to take one and travel back. We said, no, I should not take any of them. That it's going to break at the airport. So I was like, babe, I'm going to take care of it. It's not going to break. Let me have some time. I'll go back and be, drinking now with like something like a glass cup. It's about 4. Give me one. There's this one very beautiful one. He refused. So I'm having a feeling that probably he bought this same glass, but let me just check it out first because I've not opened this. This is the only one I've opened, this bottle of wine. So let me open that other glass and I'll show you. Let me just open this box first and see what's inside. Wow. Okay. Oh my god, he got me shortbread. We never discussed shortbread anyway. I initially thought it was a glass of wine. Maybe he got me shortbread so I can use it to step down the wine like in a day. Okay, this is really beautiful. Let me start eating one first. See, it's not so healthy, but let me just start eating one first. I remember when I was back home, this cake, this shortbread was sold for 350 naira. Then those years, and it was very expensive, and we liked it. Babe, you keep surprising me. Thank you so much, darling. Like, I wasn't expecting it. Okay, let me eat this one fast. Then I'll show us the other things I bought. So people of God, since we now have what to use to eat and drink and step down the product review and unboxing, let us eat and drink first. Okay, this is how they used to do it. If you want to open champagne, like, hey, woo. Chineke, I just hope something she just not bust before me. Not in the mood at all. I just want to drink this wine in peace. And I want us to drink it in peace. Woo! Hey! And drinking this thing with cup, it doesn't give me that morale. You understand what I mean? Let me drink it with the bottle, but please don't do like this. Don't be like me, okay? We want to drink a wine, okay? You get yourself a glass. Why this thing just for my body? You get yourself a glass and you just pour in and sip it. But me, make una no vex, I'm the only one drinking it, so I can put my mouth there. Okay, it's okay for me, not for you. Please, when you're drinking yours, find a glass. Okay. All right, family, enough of that joke. Let's go into unboxing this. Like I said earlier, I got this online, but I didn't know that the size I bought was actually a big one. I wanted to add these to the ones I have at home so that I can have something at the background. I'm going to display the pictures. I got it online, so I wanted to try it because I love it. And so it's either I use it on this sofa or I use it on my bed. It depends on the way my spirit leads me that day, any of the videos I want to shoot. And these are the pillowcase. These are the pillowcase. There are two, and this is how they're, and they display love. So I'm gonna put this quickly into them and show us. And voila, here we have our beautiful sofa pillows or bed pillows. So I'm going to be using this from now on. I'll be seeing me using these two beautiful pillows on my bed, maybe when I'm creating any content. Maybe. Do they look beautiful? They are really beautiful and they express love. So that's it for this particular one. Let me show you the other product. All right, good. So let me show you this other particular product. I got this when I was planning to travel. I bought it actually. I ordered for it when I was planning to travel to my husband's place, but the company were not able to send it until after New Year. I simply like this. I just wanted to have this something very simple, you know, on me. Let me wear it. You see, so I wanted to have this very simple something that I can wear and walk around the house. That was after the wedding anyway, not before the wedding. I wanted to have something, you know, I can wear and walk around the house, you know, and show this guy you waited and you deserve this cookie. So, but unfortunately the company didn't send it on time. So since I'm back now to school, I'm going to be wearing it in my house. One thing I actually love about this particular, will I call it long singlet? Will I call it, I don't know what to call it. So for some women, they can really be comfortable wearing this outside. But for me, I will not be comfortable wearing it outside. You can wear this during summer, even if you're going to the beach. But it's somehow fun and sexy and all of that, but it's not really comfortable for me. And yeah. So babe, maybe when you're trying to get married or trying to plan for a big day, you can find something like this or something more sexy than this for your husband and not for another brother outside. Okay, so that's just that essentially. So that's all I wanted to share with us today. That was all I wanted to share. Initially the plan was I wanted to show us this and also show us this one, but my husband surprised me by sending me wine, so we had to drink wine and eat biscuits before we do the whole video thing. I just hope you enjoy this video, and if you enjoy this content, please don't forget to give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and join the family. Okay, I'm gonna see you in my next video. I'm still Nnalue, Ifeoma, the king's bride. Hey, who goes there? Woo! See, I'm not like this, but okay. This wine used to do somehow in the mouth. Maybe it's because I'm not used to drinking wine all the time. You know, we that did not have money that time. You just have to manage it the way you can manage it. But babe, you try. Yeah, you try. I'll beg you something. You tell me you know the later you go and do that thing. You know, when I left, and since you don't help me buy it, I didn't want to use my money to buy it. I wanted to use your own money because your money is our money, right? And my money is, yeah, it's our money also. I understand, but your money is our money. So when you didn't buy it before I left, I thought maybe you're going to forget about it, or because you said I should buy it myself, I should go and buy it myself. So I didn't know you were going to buy it from me, and you didn't even tell me that you bought it. And I spoke with you today. But I spoke with you every single day. I spoke with you every single day. You didn't tell me. But it's okay. Since it has come now, let us drink this one. Enough of me. Bye-bye.